Hi, this is Cynthia,
Hi, I'm Justin.
and we are from Debuggy Minds. So, the topic for today that we would like to share with you is the important habits to excel at work. We have Justin to explain to us.
I'm really excited to share this with you. This has been we have done some research on this, on the important habits about excelling at work. And based on our research, we found out that there are two most important qualities.
Okay.
Two most important qualities that are in any work you require it.
Alright.
Or any job or any work, you require these two most important qualities. And number one is the ability to set priorities and work on high value tasks.
Right. Okay.
Set priorities and work on the high value task. The second is the discipline to get the job done well and quickly. Not just quickly, but well.
And
you might do
quickly.
it quickly, but it's not up to the standard.
Right.
So the first one is setting priorities and getting it done, and the other one is getting it done fast and well and quickly.
So how do we get?
Okay, how do we get this? Is when the best way that I would recommend it would be to calculate your hourly rate. If let's just say your pay is about 6 to 10,000 or 5 or whatever is it, and you're working 40 days a week, so in a year, in a month, you most probably hit about 120 times 4 is 160 hours. So you divide it with your pay, and then you evaluate for your own self how much is your hourly rate. Why is that? Because once you know your hourly rate, you know which task is worth your time.
Okay. And that's why we focus on high value tasks.
Exactly, high value tasks. So if you want to get paid more, many people come to meet me and they say, I want to get paid more. Okay, and they don't see what's the possibility for them to get paid more. They say, I cannot go up the ladder. It's the maximum. I ask them this one question: do you know anybody in your organization getting paid double than you are getting paid? They said yes. So is it possible? Then you get that paid. Is it? Yeah, it's possible. So it's about focusing on how valuable you are at work. The more you focus on high value tasks, the more valuable you become. The more you focus, the more you execute on that, the more valuable you become.
Right.
So your target here is to focus on high value tasks and to look at your hourly rate. And what am I focusing on? Okay, if this is my hourly rate, if I want to double it, what do I focus on? And some people love photostating and punching and doing all sorts of you can say low value task work.
Right.
Okay, remember, if you focus on doing work, if you are hard work on the wrong job, it can sabotage your job or your career. If you're working hard on the wrong job or the wrong task, it can sabotage your career. So it's about focusing on high value tasks, prioritizing it and focusing on it, because you have limited time at work.
Right.
Okay, the second part is getting it done well and quickly. Okay, and these are two most important qualities, I would say.
Okay.
And at any work that you go through, it's the most important qualities.
Right.
To excel at your workplace, any workplace, is the other one is to have the ability to produce exceptional results. Exceptional results. You must have developed the ability to produce exceptional results. Now, how do you produce these exceptional results? One is getting the top priority task done. It's all about execution. It's all about getting things done. Second thing is to produce exceptional results. You might be in a role where you cannot produce exceptional results because you have hit the limit and you do not know what else to do. That's when you ask for more responsibilities. You ask for more responsibilities and you produce exceptional results. Be develop a reputation where you are the person that get things done.
Right.
Exceptional results. Develop the reputation in your workplace or in your career. Don't develop a reputation where the Malaysians call it Tai Chi, the art of the art of using the force and pushing it the other
Everywhere.
way. Yes, pushing it the other way around. That is a different reputation. But you want to build a reputation where you get the job
A
done.
good reputation.
A good reputation where you are the person to go to. Go to this person. He gets the job done fast and accurately.
Right.
He can help you get that reputation done, and then you will be able to produce exceptional results. But we have to produce the exceptional result to get that reputation.
Right.
There are two strategies for doing it. First is to plan your whole week
Ahead.
Plan your whole week ahead,
Okay.
and then plan your day. So I call this 6x6 or 5x5. What I mean by that, top 6 tasks that you need to complete by 6 p.m. or top 5 tasks that you need to complete by 5 p.m. And these are your high value tasks or high value priority lists that you need to complete. That gives you, we work on the 80-20 rules. Work on 20% that's going to produce 80% of the results. What are the 20% that I need to do to get 80% of the results that you want? So that's one of the strategies. Second thing is to have 30 minutes of uninterrupted time. 30 minutes of uninterrupted time at work to focus on this. You can either have a maximum of 2 or at least 30 minutes to focus on this 6 priority task or high value task, I would call it.
So 2 sets of 30 minutes.
Yeah, 2 sets. The best is 2 sets, but if not possible, you can get 1 set of it.
Right.
And 1 set of uninterrupted. Your main task is to avoid distraction. Avoid distraction and interruption for you to get things done, to execute things.
Yeah, because once at work, you have suddenly ad hoc meetings,
Yeah, true.
and then you have to go to this department, and then there's certain customer service, certain clients call in and say there's an emergency or I need this repaired and all that. So your work schedule gets disrupted. So the best is to find that 30 minutes of uninterrupted time so that you can actually complete those high value tasks.
There are basically five habits to master to produce exceptional result or to be excellent at work. The first one is to do more than what you get paid for. Now, why is this important? To do more to do more than what you get paid for. First of all, it increases your value. It increases your value at work. It increases your value to your boss. Once you increase your value, your earning abilities increase.
That's right.
When your earning ability increase, you have the ability to earn more. That's one of the best things that any person that you have. You have unlimited potential of earning ability.
Right.
But it determines by the value that you can give, the value that you can drive. And the only way that you can do it is to give more than what you get paid for.
Yeah.
And it's the law of nature. I mean, look at it. If you want to drive your car from point A to point B, you can say, let's go first, I pump petrol later on. You got to put
one bar.
you got to put the fuel in first before you go.
Right.
Same as that. If you want something, you have to pay forward. If you want fire, you have to put the firewoods. You have to put the petrol in. You have to put something in front. You have to give in order to receive. So you have to do more than what you get paid for. That's number one. That's the number one.
I think at the end of the day, it not only adds value to your boss and to yourself, but you also become an asset to the company.
Exactly.
Something which is very, very valuable for the company. So if they have to make sure that they really keep you in the company, so you don't lose your job or anything, right?
That's one part of it, but it's about also climbing.
Yes.
I mean, to move up, not in the corporate ladder, but to move up in your value itself.
Yeah. It helps you to grow. At the end of the day, it helps you to grow personally. Something which you can actually carry on, even whether or not you're staying in one company for 5 years or 10 years. But if you change your company, even, it's something where you take that value with you, to offer in the company.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's habit number 1. Do more than what you get paid for. Habit number 2 is to be the first one at work. When you are being the first one at work, you have uninterrupted time. You have the time to plan your day, plan your week, and execute on the high priority task. Then number 3 is your daily and weekly goal setting, or task setting, or goal setting for the week. So once you are in, you are 30 minutes early or 1 hour early, be the first one in. You can focus on the high priority task by being the first one in, focus on this and getting things executed. The 4th one is to get the job done well and quickly. Develop the habit or the competency that you need to get the job done well and quickly. Not just quickly, but well. You don't want to do it quickly with a lot of revisions. Lot of revisions on the way.
You get a different kind of reputation.
Exactly. The person will get things done more than once.
Right,
It's a simple job, but you do it.
She does things very fast, but with a lot of mistakes. We do not want that.
Yes,
right?
true.
Yeah.
So to get the job done well and quickly. The 5th one is the most basic, which many people miss, which is dress for success. Dress for success. Now, why is this important? Is because imagine that you are producing the results, you are hitting your KPIs, you're producing the goals, you're getting everything done. However, when the time comes to meet your top clients or even the presidents of your company, but you're not ready for success, you're not ready to present yourself, you're in the bad hair day, or you're just not ready. Don't be that person that your employee or your presidents will be shy to introduce you to somebody else, because networks are all important. The people you know will change your life, but be ready to bring them in. If you have body odor issues, manage it. If you have, just be ready for success, dress for success. That's one of the simplest thing to the habit to develop.
Yeah, I would like to just add a tip on that. If you do not know how to dress for success, well, of course, there's always workshops on image grooming and things like that. But we are in the age of the internet, so you can always Google it, you can always Pinterest it. Something that can help you in your career.
Yeah.
Right.
The other one more tip that I could give is dress for success would be, where do you want to be 2 years from now, and dress as that person. Or 2 to 3 years from now, dress as that person. Be that person right now. So if you want to be somewhere 2 years from now, you can imagine it, you can picture it, be that person right now. Dress like that person, talk like that person, and be ready to embrace success.
Right. So there we go. The important habits to develop to excel at work. And when we talk about habits are something that you do consistently. You have to start and do it consistently, and once it's ingrained in yourself, and then it becomes a habit. The suggestions that we've given are not something that you do. I feel like doing it today. Okay, I'll do it today. It will not work. So habits are something that should be developed. It will not work overnight, but you have to start somewhere.
Yeah. And one of the best quotes that I could remember about habits is by Stephen Covey. He says that first you make your habit, and then your habit makes you. So first you develop a habit, and then the habit grooms you. It makes you who you are.
Right.
So we are habits, a creature of habits, habitual creatures. We do things without thinking. That's what habits is, because it's ingrained in us. Like brushing our teeth.
Right.
We don't think to brush our teeth. We just go out in the morning and just pick it up and brush.
Right.
And it's always the same hand that you use to brush your teeth.
Yeah. Once it's ingrained in you, then it happens. And following these habits will actually help you to achieve success at work and to excel at work at a much faster pace. So we hope that you learn something from this, and we hope that you start developing these habits for you to excel in your work.